Hello again, my good friend. I just love being here. I love every aspect of this wonderful journey we're on together. What a magnificent day I had yesterday in San Sebastian. And during lunch, I had this wonderful conversation about sharing an experience that I had in Cancun. And the first day I was there, I lost my glasses. And I tore my room apart. I was bent out of shape. I was angry. I was like just so disconnected. I had to find my glasses. And it was a mission. And when I was walking back, I know exactly where I was down there. A very dominant thought came to me. What would you rather have, your glasses or perfect eyesight? And my answer was perfect eyesight. It helped me let go completely of looking for my glasses. And it was 5 minutes before we were leaving. Deborah, who I was with, she had gone through a gentleman there named Angel. And my glasses are transitions. So when they were turned in, they were sunglasses. But when they looked in the drawer, they were clear glasses. So they couldn't put two and two together. And Deborah kind of knew this. So she had them bring them all, and she picked them out. And I got them 5 minutes before I left. 2 weeks before we went to Alaska, I broke my other backup glasses, my sunglasses, and I had to go to the eye doctor. And I went to the eye doctor, and my prescription has, instead of increasing the strength, it diminished it. My eyesight is getting better. The doctor had said, whatever you're doing, keep doing it. And
Tell him I just keep losing my glasses.
yeah. So I just picked them up about a week before here because I couldn't get them for other various reasons, and I just picked them up. And my seeing now, the new glasses, which require less of a prescription, is increased focus than seeing with the old ones that I currently have. So I just wanted to share that wonderful thing. And it was sort of I just let go. And I went back to the moment.
You could teach your eye doctors something that later they'll write reviews about and they'll get a lot of credit. You could tell them that, how often do they usually want you to come back for an eye exam?
I think once every 2 years, something like
So
that.
you could agree to that, provided they promise to give you a slighter prescription each time you go. I'll come back if every time I come back you'll give me a slighter prescription. Because if they would go that way instead of that way, if they would decrease your prescription rather than increase your prescription, and you see, it would be incremental enough that it wouldn't be off-putting. If you took your glasses off, if you need glasses and you took them off all of a sudden, you wouldn't be happy because you would not be able to see. But if they were diminished gradually, and that's sort of the same thing that we're talking about, these vibrational differences. Our friend had a hard time hearing us earlier today because it was too much information to take in all at once. Can't just alter your beliefs. Suddenly, law of attraction will not allow you to do that. But if you allow the altering of your beliefs, we call it bridging beliefs, incrementally, then before you know it, beliefs that are hindering can fall by the wayside altogether, just like your glasses keep trying to.
And when we were having this exchange, the thought that just overcame, when you were talking about every time I go back to the eye doctor, the thought that came is, I think I had my last eye examined about 2 months ago. And that's what just overwhelmed me, welled up inside me right now.